Hey, what's up, guys? It's a beautiful day today, but I just want to show you guys how to rig a soft plastic lure. Stay tuned. I need jig heads, huh? I got more soft plastics back here, guys. Look at that. Full package of Diesel Minnow Z Bad Shad in the 4-inch. And we got some Slayers. Let's see what else we got. We got this more Z-Man Swimbaits. Oh, more Z-Man. What's this one here? Oh, more Z-Man stuff. This is the natural shrimp. More Z-Man, the razor shad. Let's see what else we got. Oh, more bass shad. Alright, let's get to rigging. First we're gonna do, well, I'm gonna show you guys how to rig this the paddle tail. This is the Z-Man Diesel Minnow Z Bad Shad. Let's pick out some jig heads. Typically in the 4-inch, I like to use the, it's a little mess here, but I like to use the, where is it? I can't find it. It's not in here. Maybe it's in here. I like to use this one here. It's an 1/8 ounce jig head. I think it's a 3/0 hook. So let's open it up. Okay. Open it up, and if I can get this to open. All right. So when I rig this, I like to place the actual jig head onto the bait, just like that. Line it up, just to see where that hook is gonna be exposed. So it's probably gonna be right around, let me just hold it still so you guys can see it. So it's probably gonna be coming out like right around there, like a 1/4 inch into the fin, the dorsal fin of the bait. So right about there. So now what I'll do is I'll pierce it right there, right down the center. I don't know if you guys, might be hard to see, but you want to line it up nice and straight. Right down the center, just like that. And then out. Like that. Push it all the way up against the jig head. There you go. And if you guys don't get it the first time, you know, you can always retry it. But you want it to be nice and straight, so it swims like correctly in the water. It's not like swimming all weird, you know what I mean? Swimming straight. So now I like to, after I rig it, I like to put some super glue on it. This is the glue I use. Let's see if I can show you guys. This is the glue I like to use. It's called the Zap. It's the Zap gel. It might get a little messy. Let's see what happens. Usually it squirts everywhere when I open it. See, look, you can already see it coming up. It's always like that, I don't know why. But you don't need that much, just a little bit of it. See, it's already coming out. I don't have to squeeze or anything, but I like to put some onto the prong, just like that. A little bit on the actual hook, and then the lead. A little bit on the lead. Doesn't take much to hold the bait into place, and it doesn't affect the bite or anything, guys. So you guys don't have to worry about that, because I've caught so many fish using this glue. I might as well use the glue instead of the Procure scent. I'm just kidding. But once you get that glue on there, just push the bait back up onto the prong, just like that, and that bait should swim straight. It's nicely lined up, as you can see. That's how you want your lure to be, your swim bait to be when you rig it up. You want it to be nice and straight so it swims nicely in the water. Alright guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys haven't already, hit that subscribe button and hit that bell to be notified. If you guys want to see more videos like this, leave a comment in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.